More than 300,000 cases of COVID-19 have now been reported to WHO from almost every country in the world. That's heartbreaking. The pandemic is accelerating. It took 67 days from the first reported case to reach the first 100,000 cases. 11 days for the second 100,000 cases. And just 4 days for the third 100,000 cases. You can see how the virus is accelerating. But we're not prisoners to statistics. We're not helpless bystanders. We can change the trajectory of this pandemic. Numbers matter because they're not just numbers. They are people whose lives and families have been turned upside down. But what matters most is what we do. You can't win a football game only by defending. You have to attack as well. And my brother Gianni can tell you more. Asking people to stay at home and other physical distancing measures are an important way of slowing down the spread of the virus and buying time. But they are defensive measures that will not help us to win. To win, we need to attack the virus with aggressive and targeted tactics, testing every suspected case, isolating and caring for every confirmed case, and tracing and quarantining every close contact. We recognize that some countries are struggling with the capacity to carry out these offensive measures. Several countries have shown that mobilizing resources internally from less affected regions is one way to increase capacity and help the overwhelmed health system in some regions. We are also grateful that several countries have sent emergency medical teams to care for patients and train health workers in other countries that need support. This is an incredible example of international solidarity. But it's not an accident. WHO has been working with countries for years to build a network of emergency medical teams for exactly this eventuality.